There's so much variety. We have culture, we have forests, we have...
Welcome to day 2 of the Nuwaraeliya vlog. Now we are on the way to, honestly, I don't know, okay? We have planned to go to 3 places today. One is Ambewala Farm. I think we are going to Ambewala Farm now, if I'm not mistaken. Number 2 is Tea Factory. I don't know which tea factory. And the final place for the day would be Jagro Farm. I don't know if we'll be covering all of these places, but hopefully we will. And I hope to show you guys the ins and outs of all the 3 places. Yeah, I'm really excited to visit all 3 places, especially the Jagro Farm, because I love strawberries. Who doesn't love strawberries? Yeah, if you love strawberries, please do comment below. Hopefully see you guys at one of those places. Ta-da! What have you got to say about Sri Lanka? What have you got to say about Sri Lanka?
The same as him. We're from Norway and this is our first time here in Sri Lanka.
My name is Liz. I'm from just outside London, about an hour's train drive.
So far we love it. Beautiful country, beautiful people. So we're really looking forward to the rest of the trip.
This is my second trip to Sri Lanka. It's the most beautiful island. I prefer it to Thailand and to China. There's so much variety. We have culture, we have forests, we have lakes, we have the beautiful beaches. So we've had a fantastic holiday here. I would recommend it to anybody.
Thank you so much.
Well done.
Guys, very sorry we couldn't take videos inside the factory because we were not allowed to. No cameras were allowed. But anyhow, we tried to get we tried to grasp all the information as much as possible. There was a representative from the factory who explained the process so well at the Pedro Tea Factory. So anyone remembers the first step? What is the first step?
Plucking the leaves.
Plucking the leaves, yeah.
Tender leaves.
And
So
then drying the leaf
Drying the leaf. 900 women working in the tea factory
for 8 hours.
for 8 hours. Kudos to their hard work. Without their hard work, we won't be drinking the tea that we drink every day in the morning and in the evening and in the night. So, first of all, you pluck the leaves. Then what happens next? You dry the leaves.
Yeah.
Okay, after
Then
drying.
you cut the leaves.
No, and then they sort the leaves.
Yes, okay, they sort the leaves, okay?
So while sorting, they cut the leaves into smaller pieces, and then again they sort the leaves and find the bigger pieces to reprocess it.
Yes. So one important part of the reprocessing is that after it's processed, it's drinkable. It's still not clean tea. So what they do is they put it into a machine and they take out all the unnecessary particles from the tea with the help of static electric energy, isn't it?
Yeah, vibration.
Vibrations. The machine vibrates and whatever the unnecessary particles from the tea comes out and it gets filtered. So after that, what happens?
And again they send it to grading process.
Yes. I think they have different gradings like BOPF, English breakfast.
Yeah. And the finest tea which Sri Lankans prefer.
I think the finest tea is dust. Yeah, the tea. What we drink is the tea dust, guys. That's what Sri Lanka is very strong because I think that's
milk and
yeah
sugar to it.
Milk and sugar, exactly.
Strongest tea comes in the very finest form, but the what do you say, the mildest tea which the foreigners prefer comes in leaves.
Leaves form, yeah.
So
And the leaves also come in different shapes and sizes.
Shapes and sizes.
Yeah. And the interesting fact is that the bigger the leaves are, the expensive they are, isn't
Expensive,
it?
yeah.
Like there was like one type of tea leaf which was like a kilo of it was like 16,000.
And the other one was like 4,000 rupees.
4,000. Okay, so that's it for the tea factory. That was the first stop, and the next stop I think is Uncle, how is the Ambewala milk?
Oh, it's superb. Especially here in Ambewala, it's very fresh and warm and nice. On a beautiful day to have a cup of milk. Thank you.
How is the milk?
Good.
Milk or do you want the chocolate
Good.
flavor?
Good. Okay, so unfortunately we can't go into the Ambewala farm, but there is another farm just after Ambewala. It is New Zealand farm. I think we can go inside. Ambewala farm, they don't let us inside, but hopefully should be able to go into the New Zealand farm and show. I think New Zealand farm is Anchors. It's Anchors a New Zealand company, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yep. And and you just heard from my mother about the Ambewala milk. Of course, it has to be good. So yeah, that's kind of what it is. We are at the Ambewala New Zealand farm. Actually, I thought New Zealand farm was probably for Anchor, but it isn't. Sorry about that. It's actually Ambewala's. Hopefully we should be able to video and I should be able to show you guys something from inside. Yeah, let's see guys. So when you all come by vehicles, a few meters before entering into the New Zealand farm, they have a couple of people sanitizing the tires of vehicles. So just thought I'd let you know guys. It was quite interesting, but I'm not very sure why they sanitize them, but yeah. Amrit, do you drink Ambewala milk?
No, I don't.
You don't? I'm a big fan of Highland yogurt. I don't drink milk, but I'm a big fan of Highland yogurt. Pretty good. For me, Highland yogurt comes first. Nuwaraeliya comes second. With the Ambewala third. Because that's all the brands I know. So guys, that was the New Zealand farm. That's how they are being milked. Okay, so we are at the Jagro Farm. Pawantia, what did you order?
Waffles.
Waffles.
Strawberry waffles.
Is waffles.
Waffles.
Mama, what did you order?
I didn't order anything.
Don't like.
Sharing mine.
Yes.
She's gonna share.
But I know you will eat something.
She's
I'm sharing with
mine.
Pawan.
I ordered 2 strawberries.
Strawberries. What did you order? This is our bill. Waffle with fresh strawberries, 1,550. Disposable forks, disposable knives. Okay, they have not charged. Ice cream vanilla 4 liters, chocolate topping 5 liters. Oh, actually they have charged for all of those. 1,550. Strawberry fields. Yeah. How is your first bite of waffle with the strawberry?
It's good.
It's good. Awesome.
It's good. Chocolate is different.
Different.
Yeah.
Why is it different?
I don't know, but it's good. Yeah.
Time for your first bite.
Very nice.
Nice. My dear brother, how is your strawberry with brownie? Okay, I'm gonna have my first bite, guys. Okay. Small piece of brownie. Strawberries dipped in ice cream. Okay, cool. Strawberry mixes well with ice cream. The waffle is very soft. Strawberry is very fresh. And the strawberry mixes very well with ice cream. So good. Guys, no entry to the strawberry farm, unfortunately. This is the farm. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate your view and the time you spent on watching these videos. It took a lot of hours to edit all these videos. So thank you so much. My feelings about the Nuwaraeliya trip is positive overall. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Adios.